Hola, buenas, and welcome back to Mexico City. Yes, I'm back in Mexico City, but don't get excited because I'm literally leaving here in about 10 minutes. I'm going to Puebla for a few days for the second time. I went to Puebla, I don't know, maybe in April, I can't remember, for a couple of days then as well. But this time I'm going to see a friend of mine that I met the last time there. So I'm very excited. It's very early on a Wednesday morning. Well, it's about 9 o'clock, that's early for me. And you know what, in this video there's going to be two things that are going to be extremely shocking. Well, maybe. You might remember the last time I went to Puebla, the bus I got was very expensive. What I understand, and we're going to find out very soon, you can get a cheaper one for about half the price in the bus station, at the bus station to the south of Mexico near Tasquena. So we're going to see if that happens. The second thing, the second shocking thing, I'm not going to tell you about now, you'll have to wait and see. You're going to be quite surprised. Let's go. I'm at the beautiful Doctores station. Ta-da! Lovely. Today I'm going to do a bit of a vloggy type of thing. So yeah, my journey again. This time I'm not going to get angry. Fingers crossed. Right, I'm at Tasquena. I got told off for filming, as usual, but I'm being stealthy, not really. Heading towards the bus station now. There's something I just want to talk about in a second. Okay, so I think I'm in a slightly dodgy area of Mexico City, Tasquena. I'm getting that impression. I could be wrong, I don't know. But the thing I wanted to mention, today there was a lot of people on the train, maybe with no arms, no legs, begging for money. People that clearly need some kind of medication, that sort of thing. And I had no problem with that. Just to clarify, because I would probably be doing that if I was in that position. It raises the question for me, Mexico's healthcare, what is it like? Why are they having to do that? Why do they not receive the care that they need? I'm not going to comment on it anymore because I'm ignorant, I know nothing about it, it's just something that I mentioned today, so perhaps you can clear it up in the comments below. I guess I'm very lucky that I'm physically able to walk, and in the UK, healthcare is free. Which obviously isn't the case in every other country, so I'm very lucky in that respect. So it's something that I've just noticed today. Very much similar in Colombia, Venezuela, I've talked about that before. So just thought for the day, let's get the bus. Right, I'm at Mexico Sur bus station, and I'm not angry. What's going on? Am I in a parallel universe? I've got a ticket. There we go, 228 Mexican pesos to Puebla from Mexico Sur bus terminal. As I said before, this is literally half the price of the one I got before. I don't know why it's so much cheaper coming from the south rather than the east, or potentially it was the north, I can't remember which one. But hopefully this will be useful when you go from Mexico to Puebla, Mexico City to Puebla, because everything I can find online is just the airport to Puebla, not actual information about going from bus stations. So you could have used ADO, there were 226. The one I'm using is ER with a little star.
Yes.
Hola, buenas.
No puede andar grabando.
Oh, okay. So yeah, once again, told off for filming. So yeah, ADO or ER. I'm just using ER purely because I haven't used them before. He's going to tell me off again. Goodbye. Fast forward 2 hours and I'm back in Puebla, the home of Mole Poblano, Mexico's signature dish, samitas, which I will be having at some point when I'm here, and Cholula, woo, the world's largest pyramid, where I've been before. You might be wondering why I'm walking. I'm not one of those travellers that gets unnecessary taxis everywhere. I can walk from Capu bus station to Centro, it won't take that long, I know where I'm going. Yeah, so I'm in the process of trying to save some money at the moment. I'm not on holiday, just to clarify. 2 years doing this. You saw at the beginning of this video, day 600 and something. So yeah, I haven't got the money to be spending on unnecessary taxis, so let's walk. Well, I'm getting there, not too long to go. If you haven't been to Puebla before, obviously it's smaller than Mexico City, and even though it's a city, it does have that kind of small town feel, because it's got like the old town, lots of churches, old buildings, colonial features, that kind of thing, and the Zocalo, the central square. So it feels very homely, despite the numerous tire shops behind me. Aquí es Avenida 24 Poniente. Necesito 18, I think. I need street number 18. It's not too far. Oh, I'm quite enjoying this little walk. It gets exercise. Exercise is good. That's why I'm not fat. Okay? Tokyo, Osaka, Hiroshima, Bali, Kuala Lumpur and Mexico City. Puebla has just joined that elite list of places that I've been to more than once on this channel, and I've just arrived at my hotel. What? Hotel? Yes, that's the thing I said at the beginning of this video that's a shocker. I'll explain more in a moment. So here we are, Hotel Rio in Puebla. It's a little room. I have a bed, there's a TV, what? So why have I got a hotel? Basically it's the same price as the Airbnbs that I was looking at, so I thought why not have a bit of reasonable luxury. I know I'm being really hypocritical after walking from the bus station, but that's me. I'm a hypocrite. Get over it. Right, I'm all settled in my hotel. Yes, hotel people, take note of that, because it's not going to happen again very soon. I've come out to the Zocalo, the central square in Puebla, which I absolutely love. You saw this in my other Puebla video, very briefly. It very much feels like home. I still feel like I'm at home in Puebla, just like I was the last time. It's really nice in the evening, because, you know, there's children running around, there's balloons for sale, there's lots of restaurants around. Yeah, it's a bit touristy. But it's not as touristy as Guanajuato, I would say, and I feel very much at home here, like I said. Over there behind me, you've got the Palacio Municipal. Over there, you've got the cathedral to my right, and up there, you've got a fountain in the middle. But never mind that, we're going to cover this in another video, okay? We're going to go get something to eat, because I'm hungry. This is going to be a momentous occasion. So I've come to a little restaurant that I actually stayed above last time. My Airbnb was above here, and I'm going to have Mole Poblano, which is arguably Mexico's signature dish, and it originates in Puebla. I'll tell you a little bit about it first. So mole is effectively sauce, okay, and it comes from the word mix. So there's a story behind it, which, as always with these stories, I don't know whether it is actually true, but let me know in the comments. So at a convent in Puebla, there were a bunch of nuns, and basically an archbishop was coming for a visit, and they realised they had nothing to give him in terms of food. So they put everything together that they had, and created mole, basically. Chocolate, chilies, spices, bread, and they killed a turkey, apparently. Like, that's what I've read anyway. They killed a turkey, so it's basically meat, chicken, turkey with mole on top. I'm really excited because I've never had it before. It's 100 pesos, okay, which I don't know if that's expensive. I think it's quite cheap, to be honest. There are other places where you can get it. I believe Hotel Colonial, which I've been told about, probably more expensive. So take your pick. Have a look around. Let's eat. Right, to say I'm excited is an understatement. Just look at this. It's stunning. The smell of it is the first thing that hits you. It's got sesame seeds on, chicken, arroz, rice with peas. Absolutely stunning. And you've also got some bread as well, so I'm sure when I have eaten the chicken there'll be lots of mole left, so I can dip that in. Beautiful. Right, first I think I'll try some rice with the mole. Oh. Beautiful. There's not a lot on there. There we go. I've got a lot now. Oh my god. That is beautiful. It's not too spicy. The sesame seeds are a great addition. Lovely. Let's try the chicken. So I said it wasn't spicy, but the kick really kicks in once you saw it. Aftertaste. Look at that. Chicken. Succulent. Juicy. Heavenly. I love chicken. Chicken is the best. Mole is my new favourite thing. I cannot believe I've been in Puebla before, I've been elsewhere in Mexico, and I've never had this. It's orgasmic. It's another food orgasm. Amazing. And chicken skin. I'm one of them weird people that loves chicken skin. A lot of people seem to not like it, but I could eat chicken skin forever. It's even better than the chicken. The perils of filming a food video by myself. I have to be like this, my head in the food. Bread with mole is quite possibly the best thing I've eaten literally ever. It's heavenly. Amazing. It could be a bit hotter to be honest. Maybe it's a bit mild. I don't know, maybe I should have asked for Chile or something. But I don't care. This is stunning. I don't know how I'm going to cope when I leave Mexico. I think I might have been Mexican in a past life. Viva Mexico. So that is this video done for today. I hope you've enjoyed having a look at Mole Poblano. It is literally mind-blowing. And I've got to say, the positive thing about this video is the fact that I had a positive travel day, which is a first for a long time. And actually, there is no negative. Amazing. Positivity in Mexico is the best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to do the like, leave a comment. Why don't you tell me about your Mexican food adventures, including Mole Poblano? And don't forget to subscribe. There'll be a couple more videos coming from Puebla over the next couple of days. Look forward to them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.